Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Cousin.
Is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
No one can kill me anymore. No one can hurt me. No one can take me down.
Ungo Station, my weebs. It's me, the king shit of Fucktown, Scoop Pooper. And today, we're gonna be appropriating some culture on a show I like to call Bone Apple Tea. So, I was staring in the mirror, wondering what was wrong with me, when all of a sudden, I thought, you know, there's plenty of fish in the sea. Apparently. So today we're making sushi. First thing we want to do is we want to preheat our oven to 800 degrees. Sorry, I meant 80 degrees. I confused the big zero with the little zero. I'm not insane. Now the first ingredient we're gonna need to get is fish.
You can't fish here.
What? Why?
Why? Because I'm the queen of Sarnia, bitch. That's why.
Well, we're just shooting like a little cooking video.
Nah, you shooting a little cooking video? Talk to me like that! See those things to me!
Oh my god, what? You just hit me with a fish! Go!
Give me that back!
Yeah? You want this back?
Give me that back.
You want the fish back?
Yeah.
What? Just kidding! Idiot! Get the fuck out of here!
I will find you!
Well, we got our fish, which is great. Next, we're gonna need about 2 scoops of rice. We get this from the rice bin that people tend to have under their sinks. Make sure not to get any of the garbage in there. I couldn't find any cucumbers at the lake, so today we're gonna substitute it with pickles that I stole from my grandpa. Usually, I would grab some seaweed, but since I don't live by the sea, I'm just gonna do some land weed. And sushi tends to have some kind of white shit in it, maybe mayonnaise, I don't know. So today we're using toothpaste. We're gonna need some kind of a rolling paper for the sushi. Gonna use this little thing I have lying around. Gonna sprinkle on some of our rice. And now that you got your base of rice, you can kind of just put in anything in any order. It doesn't really matter. None of it matters. If you've ever rolled a burrito, it's pretty much the same thing. We're gonna take this guy, we're sticking it in the oven. You can just leave it in there for about one hour, 2 hours. I think I forgot the fish.
I don't know, like, you used a little too much vinegar in this one. It's kind of all I taste.
I didn't not like your cooking. It was fine, it just wasn't my thing.
I think I see you more as a friend than a chef.
I mean, yeah, Cindy's good. Cindy's good. I think it's kind of weird that I'll just be straight with it, you admitted to Cindy that you loved her.
You can't just show up to someone's door with a whole braised pork with only fucking onion powder. That's so... What?
Just so you know, I mean, like, we're 10 years strong, so, I mean, at the end of the night, I'm in her bed.
I think it's really great that you're trying.
You used a little too much vinegar in this one.
You used a little too much vinegar in this one. It's gotta clean the rice.
Very good. Well, that's my secret sushi surprise. I hope you enjoyed it. It's so easy that even a stupid, ugly bitch like you should be able to figure it out. As always, stay safe and Bo.
I told you I'd find you!
Oh.